Hi everybody, this is Loopy Prices coming to you on another video of AMC. Before I forget, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Today was a bloodbath, especially on AMC, 15% negative. And if you stay to the end, I will explain to you why I am still very bullish and why I think that we are going to see an uptrend and it's going to be pretty soon. But this is the whole data, what I'm seeing so far. After hours, we can see it's after hours jumped up and even had a jump up after we can see at almost, look at the at $30. It jumped up that much. It was pushing up at $30. So this is a great sign still. I am still very positive. We've seen that the shorts are at 17%. Days of cover had decreased. I talked about that in my previous video on it was at like a 4.5 days to cover, and right now it's at 3.7 days to cover. It's almost at 4, you could sort of say. But the reason why I'm thinking, the reason why this is getting lower is one, the pricing is lowering down so they can cover a lot faster because of that. So that is the reason why it's still lowering down. I think they have been still increasing. The shorts are still buying more. That is my opinion on that. What the other thing, this is another thing. The reason why the market was down for pretty much everything was down. And the reason why is because of this new virus. And we can see at a negative 1.18% onto the S&P 500. Woo, that is hard. It is hitting hard. But we have seen it going up down to 2%, and that was last Friday. It was around 2%. And still today, like look at after hours, still it's moving up a little bit. Now, the one thing it's making me bullish is onto, even though we've been hearing negative stuff about this new virus, I want to play this clip. And this is why I think we are going to see a twist into the market. Listen to this.
I've been saying it. We know what we need to do to protect people. Get vaccinated. If you're not already vaccinated, get boosted. If you've been vaccinated for more than 6 months with an mRNA or 2 months with J&J, and all the other things we've been talking about getting your children vaccinated, masking, and indoor.
That, to me, is telling me that Fauci is believing, he thinks the vaccine is going to work on the new virus. So I think he's going to come out with the data that's going to say, this is the data that I'm seeing, the vaccine is working, and we are going to see the market, as soon as that happens, it's going to rally upwards. Everything is going to be happy after that. So that is why I'm still bullish on number one. Number two, this is another thing why I am bullish onto AMC directly. I just basically explained to you why I'm bullish onto the market. Now, why am I bullish on AMC? Because AMC's it's a totally different duck. Well, the reason why I am saying I am still bullish is if we go back, and this is October 5th of 2020, we see how it was dropping. And there's some videos out there, and it's really entertainment, very interesting, talking about how we are following the same pattern, and I'm not really good with those patterns on how the market is following from the first rip from, I think it was like $2, and it went up to $21. So there's people showing charts on that, and it is really convincing. And when I'm looking at it, I can see we had a buy signal on my software that I see it's a buy signal right in here. And it had a bottom as well. The money flow was getting a green. We are not in that stage. But right now, look at this. We are at a buy signal. We are at a buy signal right in here. So right here, it's a buy signal. We are at a buy signal. Oh, didn't go through there. To one. Maybe I can do it there, right here. Buy signal. And right here, we are seeing a, it's not going in there. We are seeing a starting at a bottom. The volume is still very low. This is, to me, very bullish on AMC. We see buy signal onto, and you're thinking, well, so what? Loopy prices. This is not making much of a sense because you've probably seen buy signals all the way back. Well, not really. We can see a signal back, and we scroll through, and we're at this price, and we can see back here we're at these prices, and we never had a buy signal. Never a strong buy signal. We had a strong sell signal right here, and then it ripped. So, but if I keep on scrolling, there is no buy signal until we get to right into December. Now, I said it was October, and that was the charts that I have. It was in October right in here. So we are seeing a buy signal right in here. So that, I think it was October right there. This, to me, is a strong signal that we are getting into a very good sign. We're seeing. Now, right in here, we see it starting to drop out. Very same, we're going to see the money flow dropping out. Are we done with the bloodbath? That's probably what you're asking. And my answer is no. I don't think we are done with the bloodbath. The reason why is I think and I believe they are doing the 9-candle setup. And that is the reason why I say no. The bloodbath is not done. And the reason we are getting that setup, and then they are going to have this 9-candle. They're trying to get as low as possible so they can buy as much as possible back. So expect we are at candle number 8. Expect candle number 9, and that will be a 9 on saying we are starting to make a bottom. That is a strong sign that the hedge funds are starting to say, yep, it is where it is, and we are at the bottom end. So I know today is a bloodbath, and we are getting a sign right here, another buy. We are getting on the daily chart, buy. and we were getting on the 4-hour chart buy. These are buy signals, and we are seeing them on the daily chart. We were getting a buy, and like again, we have not gotten that until last year, and that was in December and October, saying there's something up, there's something going on here. So leave a comment, please thumbs up, and if you like these videos, subscribe, and I really appreciate it. I am definitely ape, and anything on the subscribing videos helps me out. I am trying to get the word out there to every ape what I am seeing and why I'm still very bullish. I pretty much blunt on what I see, and a lot of people are very negative right now, and I just want to admit I am negative on everything. And when I see something, I have to research it, and I have to look at things to make sure, is this what I am seeing? All these people right now who are negative, keep in mind, they have always been negative. A lot of them have been negative all the time. So ignore them. Stay with your convictions. If you are believing in this cause, you know what? Keep going. That's my point. It's not financial advice. Again, do what's best for you on the financial end. So, blah 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 blah. Hit like, I appreciate that, and definitely comment on this video if you like this video. I really appreciate that, and please share. Thanks. Peace out.